Hi mga higala, this is Maestra Judy. Welcome to Cebuano 101. So today we are going to discuss how to say, do you speak English in Cebuano? In this lesson, I will share common answers to this question. Let's start. This lesson is part of Top 30 Cebuano Travel Phrases. Please do check out the video lesson. The link is at the description box. Also, this sentence is in the Speak Conversational Bisaya Cebuano book, page 38. Okay, let's start. Do you speak English? Mo istorya ka og in English? Mo istorya ka og in English? Let's break this down mga higala. So, mo istorya is speak, okay? Speak in the Bisaya dictionary means sulti. But in this context, locals normally use istorya, mo istorya or mo litok. Now, mo istorya, the root word there is istorya, that means story. And then mo litok, the root word there is litok, means express or pronounce. But in this context, do you speak English? Locals normally use mo istorya or mo litok. Okay? So mo istorya is speak, ka is you, and then we have our object marker here which is og. Do you speak what? So in order to connect in English to mo istorya ka, we add the object marker og. Okay? In English is English language. In English. And then if it's only English, we say Ingles. Ingles. Okay? Again, English language is in English. In English. Okay? Just English, we say English. English or English. Okay. So there are other ways to say, do you speak English? Just like in the English language. The first one, other variation is, can you speak English? So, if we say, can you speak English? Can speak, we say, maka litok or maka istorya. Okay, when we use the prefix maka, maka is can or able to. So, when you say maka litok or maka istorya, it means can speak. Okay? Can you speak English? Makalitok ka og in English? Or makaistorya ka og in English? Other variation is, do you know how to speak English? So when we say, do you know how to speak English? We say, kabalo ka mo istorya og in English? Kabalo ka mo istorya og in English? So, kabalo ka mo istorya is know how to speak. Kabalo is know how. The shortcut for kabalo is kabao. Okay, kabao. Other term for that is kahibalo or kahibao. So, kahibalo or kahibao, it means knowledge, understanding, or know-how. Okay? So, some locals will say, kahibao ka mo istorya og in English? Or, kabao ka mo istorya in English? Or, kahibalo ka mo istorya og in English? So, those are the variations, mga higala. Now, let's go to common answers. Common answers are yes and no. Okay? So, yes, it's u. U. Okay? Don't say oo. Say u. Next one, no means dili. Okay? Dili. Do not say dili. Say dili. There should be no sound there. Okay? Dili. Next common answer. I don't know how. We say, dili ko kahibalo. Or, the other variation, kahibao or kabao. Dili ko kahibao. Dili ko kabao. Dili ko kahibalo. Okay? Or dili ko kabalo. Okay? So, I don't know how. So again, kahibalo, kahibaw, kabaw, kabalo, it means know how. Okay, know or know how. Dili means not. And then ko is I. Okay? Dili ko kahibaw, I don't know how. Alright, another common answer. We have gamayra. Okay, gamayra. Just a little or only a little. Okay, gamay means little and ra means just or only. Okay, next one. Another common answer. Dili kaayo. That means the person knows, but not so much. Okay? Dili kaayo. Dili is not, kaayo is so much or very. Dili kaayo, not so much. Okay, the last one. Oh, makalitok ko. Makalitok ko, that means can speak. O is yes, and then ko is I. So, makalitok ko means yes, I can speak. Or, you can use maka-istorya. Maka-istorya ko. Yes, I can speak. Okay, mga higala, let's have a very quick review. What is kabalo, kahibaw, or kahibalo, or kabao? It means know or know how. Okay, another question. We have, what's the short version of kabalo? The short version for kabalo is kabao. Kabao. Next one. What is speak in the Cebuano dictionary? What is the meaning of speak in the Cebuano dictionary? Speak is sulti. Again, mga higala, when the context is, do you speak English? We rather use litok or mu istorya. Now, next and last question. What is the English language in Cebuano? Okay, the answer is iningles. Iningles. Okay, English language is iningles. What if it's just English? We say English. English for English. Okay, English or English. Before we end this lesson, just a teaser. I'm actually working on these two books, 100 Cebuano verb conjugations with sentences, and emergency words and phrases. Stay tuned for more updates in the upcoming weeks. All right, lastly, before you go, available at any Amazon marketplaces, mga higala. So these are my books available on Amazon marketplaces. So we have books for absolute beginners, especially this is designed for kids. The latest released book is the Dakop Dakop. So Dakop Dakop has longer stories than the absolute beginner books. I also have travel journal. If you are coming to Philippines and you want to journal your adventure here, so it's a great way to use this notebook. That's all for today, mga higala. Do check out other how to say videos in my playlist. The playlist link is also at the description box, so please do check them out. If you like this video, mga higala, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. It actually helps the growth of my YouTube channel. So if you're a serious learner, do visit me at cebuano101.com. That's all for today. Amping kanunay. Bye!